Guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, your Discover boss, and you're back on the Rush Raymore reviews. So it's another community drive-in in Kingston. Today we are in the Three Oaks area, Three Oaks Garden, and we're on Three Oaks Road. And again, we're in Kingston. First of all, if you're new, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video as well, and definitely leave a comment. And as usual, as I always say, if you have ever lived in this community, if you have ever, or if you grew up in this community, or if you're living in this community, definitely leave a comment so I can give you a shout out. So it's Three Oaks Gardens. We're on Three Oaks Road. Just doing a quick driving video for you guys. Again, just highlighting some of the communities in Kingston and then in the wider Jamaica as well. So there is a dead end here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video and then go back on the other side of Three Oaks. So stay tuned while I go back out to the main. Alright, so we are back where we started. So I'm just gonna go on the main and go around to the other side of Three Oaks. So definitely stay tuned, guys. So this is on Mullines Road, just outside of Uenden, and then we're gonna take the other entrance for Three Oaks. Alright, so it's this right turn. So Three Oaks Garden. And now we're on Three Oaks Drive. And then we have a church on the left. And I think prep school is over there as well. I think they also recently paved the road, so that's really good. Because I came around here before and you know the condition of these roads. So at least they recently paved the road, or the main section that is. So Three Oaks Gardens, we're on Three Oaks Drive. We're coming off Three Oaks Road just now. We met up on a dead end, so we came back around to this side. Alright guys, so stay tuned, enjoy the drive. Three Oaks Garden. And again, if you have ever lived here, live in here, or grew up here, just let us know in the comment section. Left on Silverdor Drive. And then we'll take this right as well to Bolam Avenue. And then we'll go on Champlain Avenue, which is this left. Alright guys, so Tree Oaks Garden. And these roads are definitely in much better condition than some previous communities that we covered. So that's really good. Alright, so this is where community ends, so I'll turn back and show you guys from another end. Alright guys, so Tree Oaks Gardens, just a quick driving tour. We did other communities on the channels like Zadie Gardens, State Gardens, UN10, Patrick City, so we covered quite a few other communities as well. So this is another community drive showing you guys around the place. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe, and definitely share the video as well. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for clicking on the video, and I'll definitely see you on another community drive.